Hello and good morning everyone. Hope all of you are fine. And today we are going to start our new chapter number 5, Forest of India. And the topic is new word. Here we will study whatever the new word we are getting inside the chapter. And the first word is vegetation. Meaning of vegetation is plant and trees found in a particular area. Now the meaning of vegetation is if you go to the place where you will see many coconut plant or some jackfruit trees, that is the vegetation. Now coconut will be the vegetation of that particular area. Now second word, it is timber. Wood of the tree suitable for building houses and furniture. Means all the wood which we use to like build houses, windows, doors, chair, table, bed, all that woods are called timber. And third one is sanctuary. Sanctuary, it is a reserve or protected area of land where animal and plant live in their natural environment or habitation. Like government, some endangered animal will be there, and inside the forest it will be protected in their natural habitation where they will live. For example, Bannerghatta National Park, which is in Karnataka, okay, it is a protected area for certified plant and animal. Now the next word is forest. Forest, it is a large area of land covered with trees. Now forest means everyone have seen the forest, okay. Everyone has seen the forest. There mostly you will see a large area. It is a large area where you will find lots and lots of trees. And the next word is evergreen. Evergreen means it's referred to the trees having green leaves throughout the year. Here what will happen, some plant if you have seen in a summer season, it will become dry. But evergreen plant, it, in summer season, in dry season also, the leaves of the tree will not fall or not dry. It will remain green throughout the year. For example, orange jasmine is one of the tree or plant which will remain evergreen throughout the year. Another one, wildlife. The meaning of wildlife is animal, bird, insect living in the forest. Wild animals, we call wild animals the animals which will live in the forest. So wildlife means all the life, all the organism, even it is insect, birds which is living in a forest. It is called wildlife. Last, deciduous. Now deciduous refers to a tree saying leaf seasonal. Means here the leaf of the tree will fall in the dry season, usually in summer season, and few leaves of the tree will remain on the tree. So some example are sal, sandalwood, mango, etc. Now, we'll study briefly about the forest. Now, forest is also called a woodland. Why woodland? Because most of the wood which we get to make furniture to use in the home will get from the forest. So, it is also called woodland. And forests are natural resources, and this forest exists from millions of years. And in forest we will find animals, different kind of animal, different kind of plant, and different kind of insect. Even today, even these days also, some animals name, some insect name, some plant name, we don't know. Now we will study why forest is important for us, for all the living beings. Forests provide a natural home to plant and animal. Now, animal and plant which will grow in the forest, they will get a shelter inside the forest, and so this forest will provide them home. Now, another thing, trees in the forest help in purifying the air. Everyone knows that plant will use carbon dioxide while preparing the food in the process of photosynthesis, and by taking carbon dioxide, they will give us oxygen. So, this forest will purify the oxygen. It will purify the air in high amount from which we can breathe, and without breathing we cannot survive. So forest play a major role in providing the oxygen. Next point, forest also contribute towards rainfall. Due to forest only we will get the rainfall. If you have wake up early in the morning, if you have touched any plant, it will have wet feeling, which we call dewdrops, and this dewdrop will mix with the air, and the process of evaporation will start, and due to this process of evaporation, we will get the rainfall. And everyone knows that how much the rainfall is important to grow the crops, even for us. And rainfall is one of the fresh water we get. Another one, forest control soil erosion. As we have studied in last chapter, soil of India, forest also contribute the soil erosion. So when there will be tree and this will be the soil, the root of the tree will hold the soil tightly. And when there will be heavy wind and heavy rainfall, when this topsoil will be not be washed away, and the fertility of the soil will remain. So it also controls the soil erosion. Now we will study things we get from the forest. What are the things we get from the forest? So first one, timber. This timber is mainly used for building houses, making furniture, and also making some wooden articles. The second one, firewood. Firewood, people will use wood to make a fire to cook the foods and all. From the dry twigs of trees, we get these woods. Another one, medicinal plant. In forest, we get different type of medicinal plants. For example, Mimosa pudica is there, neem is there, and another bamboo. Now bamboo will get in the forest, and bamboo mainly it is used to make the papers. All the papers we see, we are writing on the paper. These all papers are made from the bamboo. Even cardboards and some furnitures also. Another one is honey. Honey, it is a thing which we eat, which is good for our health also, and even this honey is used in some cosmetic thing, soap, shampoos, and all. Another one, rubber. We have seen the tires, everything, bike tires, truck tires, and eraser we use. Everything we get from the rubber plant. Now the last one, oil from the dried seed. Seeds like almond, from that almond will make the oil, groundnut, from that groundnut will make the oil, and also sunflower and etc. So your homework will be, which you will find in textbook page number 62, practice on 1. I have given you 2 homework. Here, which of the following statement is incorrect? You have to read this 3 statement and you have to tick the statement which is incorrect. And second one is, how do you think that forest help in soil conservation? This 2 is your homework. Hope everyone has understand and everyone has enjoyed the class. Thank you.